customer number 13391. After drain cabling from the roof, kitchen drain, PVC above the floor. Here's the T right here for the kitchen sink. It says PVC above the floor, and here's the cast iron below the floor. Multiple cablings with multiple heads. Drain was just snaked 2 weeks ago. Pulling back lots of grease. You can see it there built up on the sides. See if I can get up out of this water, get it better. And that's all that chunk right there, that's all grease mixing with the hard water scale. There's a pile of it there. There's some grease there. Large chunk there. There's the main line there. The main line's dry. You can see there in the corner of the right, it's flowing. That scale there, that's holding the water back. Scale and grease. Just flushed the sink multiple times. Full sinks, drained right down. This line will clog up. With all that build up of grease and scale. And that's video number 1.